Okay, in this simple video we are going to talk about a couple of very minor things about standards that we use. In the beginning, C was developed. The American National Standard Institute recommended some recommendations for the C language. This standard, ANSI standard, doesn't like comments starting with two markers like that, whereas it prefers all comments beginning with that and then end like that. Okay, this is okay, whereas not okay in ANSI C. Whereas the C that we use, right, which use C99 or 90 like that, it's okay to use either way. Okay, let's go ahead and experiment with our blackboard, with our terminal. If I go here, I'll remove my stuff. Alright, and here I'm going to do hello. So this is a perfectly valid program in our system. So gcc main.c, which is fine. But if I say ANSI C, the way to tap ANSI C standard is you got to provide this word minus dash ANSI and the name of the program. Now it doesn't like, if you see, it doesn't like the comments starting with forward slashes. Okay, so we compiled using two methods. One is the default one we use, there is no error, but then when we use the ANSI standard, it gave an error. The same program works differently in two different standards. Okay, so that's one difference between standards. The second one difference is, if you are coming from a Java world, let's say integer I and I equal to 10 and integer j, this is a very perfectly valid program. We are declaring integer I, we are assigning 10, and then we're declaring j. But if you are using the old standards, this is not okay. For instance, let's go and compile. All right, integer j, right? I'm going to save it. So gcc minus standard equals C989. This is standard, and we unfortunately we had to give this thing for whenever you use a strict version of the standard, and then the main function. It doesn't like mixing declarations. All right, whereas if you do not use that standard, it is okay. So two different standards have different recommendations about how to use or declare variables. So it is always better if you want to declare all variables first and then start using your statements. Okay, thank you.